Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be comparing the pair of tools called Slidesgo and Vizard AI. Now Slidesgo versus Vizard AI. Best presentation tool. We want to find out the best presentation tool. Do you need stunning presentations fast? Slidesgo or Vizard AI? Which tool creates better slides in minutes? This is perfect for students, marketers and professionals. Death by PowerPoint. Yeah, many people have suffered death by PowerPoint. Well, Slidesgo and Vizard AI promise to save you, but which one actually makes you look like a design pro? Let's do this in 60 seconds. When it comes to templates, Slidesgo has about 10,000 plus free templates, while Vizard AI has AI generated templates. So who's the winner? Slidesgo. When it comes to AI power, Slidesgo does not have any AI, while Vizard AI has AI design slides, of course. So the winner, Vizard. When it comes to customization, Slidesgo is fully editable, while Vizard AI auto designed. So the winner, Slidesgo. When it comes to speed, Slidesgo uses manual editing, while Vizard AI uses instant AI creation. So definitely Vizard is a winner. When it comes to what is best for, Slidesgo is for traditional slides, while Vizard AI is for social media or videos. So the winner, it depends on what you want to use it for. When it goes for price, Slidesgo has a free plus premium plan, while Vizard AI uses subscription. So the winner, Slidesgo. So you see, Slidesgo is equal to template king, but Vizard AI is equal to magic at lightning speed. Do you need control? Use Slidesgo. Do you want it fast? Use Vizard. So what are you waiting for? Team Slidesgo or Team Vizard? Comment below. Smash like if this saved you your next presentation. Subscribe for more 1-minute tool battles. Do not forget to comment on which tool saved your last presentation. Hope to see you in the next video.